Chico.
Sorry to interrupt your cryosleep, but I thought it worth mentioning that I, your digital officer during emergencies, or Dottie, have detected an alien biorhythm on this ship.
She's called Dude. That's crazy.
And just as I suspected, the aliens uploaded a virus which is slowly deleting my program.
Amongst us.
I have determined that 2 of you are secretly aliens. By my calculations, you have 18
There's
minutes
easier
before I
ways to
cease
tell
to
that
be.
they're, like,
So I'd
aliens
appreciate
than
it
in
if you
Among
could
Us,
figure
though.
out who the aliens are, and then push the button.
Yeah,
You
it's an
will
Among
be
Us.
our first captain.
Little animation.
I have
What do I
repurposed
do?
the ship's quarters into unique testing areas.
Drawing.
Wasn't
You
cheap, I tell you
choose like a
that.
little testing. It doesn't
Choose
really
an
matter.
available room and
You
your
can, like,
desired
choose
participants.
And you set people in there.
Hurry.
Welcome to the drawing quarters. You'll be given a prompt to draw. Draw it the best you can because the alien virus will give our intruders a similar yet different prompt. When the drawings are revealed, cast suspicion on any you find to be a bit off. As time goes on, I'll do my best to send the aliens harder prompts. You're welcome. And
I didn't
here's
catch
what
it.
humans saw. Draw a monster. And now, let's judge how they responded.
Monster.
Do any of these answers seem suspicious?
Hell is
Keep in mind, someone may have gotten a bad prompt, or they could just be a terrible artist. Talk to each other and find
Wait,
the
so who
truth.
drew me in the
But
middle?
remember,
Oh.
2
What's
among
in the
you are
middle?
aliens and will be lying.
Wait, what is in the middle supposed to be?
I think it's fine.
How is
Evil?
mine suspicious?
Evil just looks like a demon. It looks like a demon.
It's a monster. He's evil. He's monster. I'm a monster.
Hey everyone, if a player seems to be
Don't
taking
talk
way
about
too
it.
long
It doesn't
to
like
move
do
on,
anything
you can
anything
tap the
bad
hurry
to
up
you.
button to speed up the
Just
timer.
like the alien things
We're
are
on the
just
clock
used as
here,
like
people, so let's keep it
like
going.
it tracks down for you. I don't know how to explain it. You'll figure it out. I don't know.
But it's like-
I don't think my son's an alien.
Okay, next captain, you're in charge.
That's not like
Okay, let's get a move on. Pick another room and test group. There's less than
Opinion hold.
16 minutes.
opinion hold's kind of unreliable. I think.
No.
Uh-oh.
Select the people.
Yeah, put me in there. Put me in there. I'm ready.
Let me at him. Let me at him.
Let me at him.
The Timo.
What the fuck?
me at him. Like
Fun fact, I found a big rat in the opinion hold.
Okay.
A rat.
Welcome to the writing pod. You will be given a fill-in-the-blank prompt. Answer honestly, because it will be scrutinized. The alien virus will allow the intruders to get something similar, but not quite right. When the correct prompt is revealed, it will be up to you to determine if any seem odd. As time winds down, I'll do my best to send the aliens some real stinkers. It's the least I can do.
Wait, why is this taking so long?
Press to hurry up and to rush them.
Alright. I think everyone can.
Oh my god, instantly everyone
I'm
pushes.
bad again.
Humans received. My dream job would be
No!
odd. Look for any written answer that doesn't seem quite
Construction.
right.
Whales.
And don't
Aw,
forget to
she did
hit that
that.
suspicion button.
But what if there's nothing suspicious?
I feel like you'd like have to like put something honest or like something, you know. I don't know.
This
What if
guy.
Do you just not vote if there's
I'm-
nothing suspicious?
I don't know. I guess you don't.
Uh-oh. It seems
'Cause
like
you like look at their
underestimated
logs
the alien
and
virus's
you kind of like choose at the end
capabilities.
which one you think is the most
Aliens now
suspicious
have the
based on how
ability
much they
to hack the
voted.
prompts.
Uh-oh.
When looking at their
Kinda
probe screen, an alien can select any human and secretly give them the alien prompt.
Oh,
To
no.
make things worse,
Oh.
aliens can help other aliens by secretly giving them a human prompt. I hope you got all of that because there's no way I'm repeating it. Okay, next
Bruh.
captain.
You only have
you're in
4 hacks,
charge.
by the way. If you're the alien, you only have 4 hacks. 2 per person. Be careful.
Will do. Because I am totally the alien.
Kinda sus, not gonna lie.
What?
Another drawing test it is.
I should
Try to
probably play
test-
Among Us.
Try to
Your
test people that
drawings
haven't
could
been
reveal
like.
an alien.
Thank you.
Here's the prompt humans should have received. Draw a fast car. Do any of these answers seem suspicious?
Huh?
And
What type of car is that on the third one?
A smart alien can make someone look suspicious by fitting their
Not an
prompts.
airplane.
Uh,
That's a little bit.
Well,
It's not fast.
True, it isn't fast. Someone totally hacked the prompt, but you know. It's all good.
By the way, only one person gets one button push at a time, so make it count.
Look at your
Like
device.
Among Us.
You can now push the button and take us to the extraction room. But
I
I
know
would
what
recommend you only do this once you're confident in your suspicions. Okay,
Oh.
next captain, you're in charge.
Nice. Okay.
What the
Oh, this
heck?
one might be weird. I don't. Okay.
I hate the opinion hole.
Yeah, let me in there.
Welcome to the deliberation deck. Humans will be given a difficult decision and must choose which answer seems appropriate to them. Aliens will see no dilemma and must choose their answers blindly. When the crew sees the full statement, aliens may have to justify their random selection or face suspicion. Let's see what these players choose. If they're an alien, I bet it's peculiar.
Or maybe people just want to choose the weird one.
That's why I don't like this one.
try to choose the real answer.
Hey, there's that green button. If you press that green button, you win free Robux. Oh, that says Harry.
You ever
Okay.
notice how boring space is?
Damn.
Where's
I
this?
didn't get my free Robux.
Gotta hurry,
I didn't
buddy.
get my free. Oh. Okay.
The prompt humans saw was... A group of trick-or-treating kids shows up when you just run out of candy. You then...
Oh my
Oh.
Now you have to decide who's an
Okay,
alien.
let's just hurry this
Or
because
let's
there's
just make
nothing. There's
terrible life
nothing.
decisions.
There's nothing.
Yeah, I'm skipping. I'm not gonna vote. Just
The
like
bioscanner is now
Do not do the
online.
bioscanner.
If
It
the
is bad.
team
Do
you
not do
send
the
there passes
bioscanner.
a test, you'll be able to analyze any player and find out if they're an alien.
Oh yeah, you can
Okay,
actually test
next
people.
captain, you're in
Yeah.
charge.
I've literally never ever seen it work ever.
I have, but only like twice out of 57 games.
Hey, unrelated. Let's do the bioscan.
Okay, go ahead, do it.
No,
Did I-
no, don't.
How big is the
I
whale?
actually need to do it. Are you serious?
He can't. How's he gonna just? Yeah, he's muted.
Put me in there.
If we make
Oh,
it through
he
this,
is
I'm gonna make an
muted.
effort to remember your names.
He is
Just
muted.
do writing pod. Writing pod's better. Opinion hold is like
What is
can't tell these.
opinion hold?
I
What
hate
is
the
it?
The one that
No.
like
Oh my
strongly
We could try it.
agree,
We could try it.
agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
I hate opinion hole. All my homies hit
Put
it
me
back.
in there. I have very strong opinions.
Nice.
Welcome to the opinion hold.
We
a
have
place
4
to hang
total
out and
hacks.
Let your opinions
Hello?
fly. Each participant will be presented with a bold statement. You will then provide your level of agreement or disagreement.
Kinda sus, not gonna lie.
Aliens, however, will be given a completely different statement. When the crew sees the full opinion, aliens may have to justify an outlandish position. Let's see what these players have to say. If they're an alien, their answer might be pretty out there.
I'm not the biggest fan of chocolate because I like using jerky. I like jerky.
Here is the human prompt.
Too easy.
I like holding hands with my friends.
Absolutely.
Okay,
Look
okay.
for someone answering
Okay,
out of
sure.
character, or
Agree.
just start
No,
yelling at
this
each
This is
other.
uncool.
Oh, it's this guy.
Just a reminder, you're all gonna lose.
Next captain, you're on the
We
clock.
got plenty of
Alright,
time.
boys,
Nope.
let's go in.
Time stops when you hit the button, right?
Drawing. Get that one cool. Boom.
Dude, I can draw with a mouse. Why would you do this?
Boom.
Wait, do you have a
I see you want to
I
draw
do,
some
but it doesn't
more.
work whenever I try to use it on other stuff.
What they draw could be quite revealing.
Beautiful.
Humans, Scott. Draw an emoji.
Emoji.
Let's check.
Hey!
I tried my best.
Emoji.
Um,
I mean, none of these are really that suspicious.
No, Christine's
Maybe it's not like it's not an emoji.
what do you mean?
It's not an emoji.
I mean,
What do
what?
you-
Well, you know,
You
think
can
about
make
it.
it an
What have you
emote,
said?
but-
Oh, you're right, guys. It's not an emoji. It's a hate symbol. Oh, sorry.
So what would it even said?
Why
Goodbye.
emergencies
Draw.
have
It would've
calm
been like,
alarms and soothing
draw a
music?
reaction image.
Oh
Next
god,
captain,
the time is
identified.
bad.
Lucky
Oh, what?
you.
We got
Oh, I
5
just realized the
minutes,
music's
guys.
gotten faster.
Fine. Let's do the BIOS.
I'm scared. We don't know who the
Do it. Do the bioscanner. Do it. I
Yeah,
dare
I
you.
sent the thing.
Sorry. Oh yeah, you want me to do bioscanner? All right.
You go ahead. Do it. I dare you. See how this goes.
I've heard that this thing has never worked, but you know what? Maybe
like the mapping thing.
Choose 2 people you trust.
Okay, wait.
I admit it.
Okay,
I made the whole
I
alien
trust.
thing up. Just kidding. We're in big trouble.
Is
Okay.
Windows Ink on?
5 minutes.
Okay, wait. It was.
Oh, yeah, it is. It is.
It was you.
You could try turning that off, but if it doesn't work, I might like
What?
there might be
This
something
is
else
the
that I
bioscanner.
Get in
Unfortunately,
there.
the virus has
Hey, we're
got
doing
this
the
place
bioscanner?
pretty screwed up. Participants will see a set of alien glyphs on their device. The captain
Alright.
will only see 3 glyphs and must describe them out loud. When 3 glyphs are tapped, the captain can lock in. If the glyphs
wait.
match, the test will pass.
Oh
Wait,
god.
so I
The
use
captain will
voice
then be
combo?
able to learn one player's secret identity. But watch out, aliens may fail by tapping the wrong glyph on purpose. Captain, I'm sending you the correct glyphs
So I
now.
have to tell you guys what the symbols look like.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so one of them, you ever seen Dragon Ball? It's got like Piccolo's little antenna things, like little,
What?
Yeah, I get what you're saying. I get what you're saying.
yeah.
And then what?
And then it's got like, oh, this is weird. So it's got like, it looks vaguely like the hammer and sickle, like the USSR logo. It's got like, kind of like a loopy circle, a
Oh.
loopy like half circle at the bottom,
I see.
and it's
I
got
see.
like a wacky U with a dot in it. That's the second one.
Wait, what was the
Wait,
first one?
wait, what was the first one?
First one was like,
Piccolo? I thought you were still.
I don't know what he.
describing
I don't know what he looks like.
It's
yeah,
the
the
Piccolo
first
one, right?
First one's Piccolo.
I don't know what he looks like.
It's just like
Okay.
the little weird antennas with like circly antenna things.
So like
Oh.
2 dots with like little curvy lines going down into an upside down V. That's what the first one
Okay.
is, okay?
Yeah.
If you don't know. Second one is like a weird, like
Yeah.
Semicircle?
half circle with a line at it in the bottom right corner.
Bottom
And
right
then
corner.
a wacky, and on top of that is a wacky U with a circle.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, and what's the third one?
Third one is
We're
like,
running out of time.
it's like, oh god, what is that? It's like 2 dots in the center, right? And then it's got like, you ever seen like the Omega symbol? It's kind of like that.
I'm going
Yeah.
with it.
Okay.
I don't know which one that is.
Oh god.
Is
okay.
it the one with the legs out or
It
legs
looks
in?
like wacky legs.
The time
it looks
to
like
answer
wacky
is
balls.
coming.
Are they pointing out or in?
Yes, pointing outwards.
Okay,
The toes are pointing outwards. Lock in.
did I get it?
I don't know. It just popped up.
Nice.
Analysis is online.
I choose 1 person to scan.
Captain, choose any other player and you will learn their true identity. You may share
Okay.
this information, if you want, or keep it a secret.
Wait, did it actually succeed?
Tap confirm when you're ready to
Yeah.
proceed.
Oh, wait, what?
Yeah.
Huh. Alright, well, choose the guy then, because you can only
I
choose
told
one.
you, man. It just need to be in the right hands. Okay. How about this guy? I don't like the cut of his beard.
I hate how the time keeps going when this is happening.
Now I process.
Alright, son.
Ooh, this should be good.
Okay, my son is innocent. Wow, who saw that coming? Of course, I know my own son better than anyone.
Oh, yeah, I
The
got
cap-
2 minutes,
Can the
right?
captain be an alien?
Not to cause a
Yeah,
panic,
because
you only
the-
have 2 minutes before the whole entire ship is
Oh,
I'm
okay.
on clock here, people, so let's keep it going.
Alright.
Okay, we're good. Can you stop?
Just skip.
Yeah.
He's human.
Someone has to push the button.
We're
Yeah,
running
it's
out of
getting
time.
a little.
Right.
We don't have that many.
The bioscanner is now offline. The rest of the
That kinda
investigation is up to you. Next captain, please.
Oh god. There's
Bro, we
barely
gonna
time.
lose.
There's
I
less
just
than 2
realized.
minutes.
Rihanna,
2 seconds.
Everything-
Quick.
So we can
Push
just
the
like. We can
No, I
just-
didn't mean to choose that one. Oh god.
we
I
can
meant to
just
choose
push
the
button.
deliberation.
We can just.
You better push the button or else the
Hurry.
end put it instantly by default.
I'm
even
going.
have
Every time I
any
click
idea who
something,
it
it like
is.
I'm
lags.
melting down.
destroying.
Just. Like. Oh shit.
Gotta go cat quick.
Alright. I think it has enough hurry ups added to it that we'll have
Hurry!
enough.
Someone has to push the button.
I think we already did the
Oh
hurry.
god, less than 60 seconds.
We're allowed to hit it at 1.
Quick.
And it,
Time's gonna run out.
Alright, the
is-
fuck off!
Pals, you better hurry up.
okay, let's get 3 hurry ups and then we'll vote on the alien thing.
It lets me do it now.
What?
Loading
It
now.
lets me do the thing now.
Let's see the
It's loading?
human prompt.
Why is it taking so much?
I think that means you
Draw
can
something
draw on Roblox
spooky.
too now.
Okay, no, the moment we see these.
It's
Okay.
Captain.
Okay, click hurry like 3 times and now we have to look at it.
Captain.
Yeah, Captain.
Get the hell
Welcome
out
to
of
the
here!
Okay, so
I
let's
bypassed
discuss
some
who is
subroutines
it.
to stop the
Uh,
timer.
we have to-
What's
he's
that?
Look at the logs.
Sorry, I thought someone
Click on
actually
people to look at their
thanked
logs.
me. Since
They
you're
also
the one
said
to
something
push the
wacky for the
button,
first drawing one.
isolate the 2 crew members you believe are aliens and press confirm.
Oh, the 2?
Since this is our first time here, you have
Yeah, it's
2
aliens.
minutes to decide.
2
Okay,
minutes
oh
to
yeah.
decide.
And if you fail, y'all
Oh.
lose.
No, okay, look at the logs. All of you guys look at the logs. Who do you think it is?
Oh, let me see.
Frick.
My
Okay,
minis
so-
are whales.
Rihanna got all of the glyphs right.
I'm sorry, whales, but
Ketsel's
I just
human.
put money on you now. I just.
Frick.
I trust.
We
I
could
trust
try.
Christine. I trust Wales. I trust Beanie. Yeah.
Captain, you tried
Rihanna.
both.
I'd say.
So,
Wait, no, did I say Wales? No, I meant to say Rihanna, not Wales.
I trust Rihanna and Ketzel.
I trust Rihanna too. And
And Captain, I think
Okay, so Zerum, Captain, and Wales
I
are the
think
three
Zerum,
people I
yeah.
do not trust.
wait, why?
it's not Gaddy. I would say draw an emoji, draw something spooky. Nothing to do.
William didn't do like any like the suspicious things. I don't know, maybe Captain, because like the spooky thing is just nothing, or maybe they didn't have
Oh
time.
no, I
to-
think Captain
Didn't have
might be
time.
one.
Captain is definitely one of them.
We'll have to choose someone anyways.
Okay, I'm doing Captain, and I
I think
don't
it's
know.
either Wales or
Captain?
Zero.
I don't think it's Zero. I don't think it's Zero.
I
I
don't
don't
think.
think. I don't know. I don't think it's Will either.
I
I don't know.
Time's running out,
That's-
Captain.
I honestly
You'll
think
forfeit
it's
your
Zero.
time
A
if you
little
don't
more.
act.
Okay. I mean.
Now the non-isolated members shall vote. If you all vote yes, and these players are aliens,
They didn't use their
then the
hacks,
humans
so
and moi are safe.
They couldn't have gotten a
But if
I don't think
you
it's
them as a
Zerum. I
human,
think.
then
I
it's
don't-
I think probably
curtains for us all.
Captain, but
Okay, time to vote.
Okay.
The vote has
So,
to be
are we voting
unanimous.
yes?
If anyone
Everyone
votes
has to
no,
say
you
I'm
have to go
voting-
back to the main cabin.
This has to be
We can
all
go
of-
back and then click the button again immediately after.
Oh, for real?
We can.
Wow, that's
Well, no, it has to be immediately after. 'Cause
Yeah.
It's only 15 seconds.
Yeah.
really
I
cheesy.
don't think it's
but I'm all
Zerum
for
though.
it. So are we voting no and choosing someone besides Zero?
I can't
Yes.
take
I
back
just
my
don't
vote.
think. No, you can say no. Well, I think if enough of us say no, it'll just.
What the
put us
hell are we
back.
doing?
The vote
It just
has
says no.
failed.
If only one
Well,
person
Okay,
says
okay.
no.
Someone else
The crew
immediately
member
push
who
the
pushed the
button.
button can no
Okay.
longer push it.
I am mashing the bottom right corner of my screen.
No, you don't have to mash. You have to hold the button down.
All you can do is keep testing until you can all agree.
Quick,
Okay,
quick,
now-
quick.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing
I
it.
know who it is.
Going for it again, I see.
Alright.
Whom will
It
you
is
isolate?
most definitely
Putting
You
Captain
only get
and
1
then,
minute, so act quickly.
Captain.
I think Wales.
We still have time now since. it's
Wait,
like-
wait, wait. No, not Wales.
Captain.
Actually, maybe it is Wales. I don't know.
I'm still in Wales.
I can't actually look at the logs. Just realized that. So.
Yeah, you can't look at the logs if you push the button.
Okay, so it's not Rihanna, not Quetzal, not me. Is it not Zerum? We're
I don't,
we're-
I don't know.
I mean, honestly, Zierm's answers has been really.
I mean, but you've been tested like only twice. And
well, I've been probed. I got probed in the bioscanner.
alright.
Zim
I thought
hasn't
that
said
was-
much.
Captain.
Captain.
That's weird
You'll
then.
forfeit your time if you don't.
So it's
finish.
either Kadi or
Just
Zerum. We have to choose now.
You know what? Do Will. Or, ah,
Okay.
I'm sorry, Wales.
We're doing Wales.
I have
I'm
like
sorry,
a,
Will.
Hey!
Vote.
I have a hunch for something, but
There.
let's just see. Let's just see. I don't know.
Wales
Oh,
said,
wait.
damn.
Captain just
Jack
said that
players.
they couldn't submit
How do I do
the
that?
drawing. Oh no, I feel bad.
How do I vote? Oh, do I just not vote because I hit the button?
I guess not.
I don't know.
All I can see are the
I'm
logs
just
right
The
gonna.
vote passed.
I feel like we got it all wrong.
Alright, let's see.
I may. It's hard to tell.
If
You
it's
guys
Kadi, I'm
died.
voting myself. Called it.
alien!
Yo!
You
actually got it. What?
Dude, what the hell?
You won.
We
Wait,
made
wait.
it.
Damn.
I could show that I
What's
never
up?
lost faith in you.
Pog.
It's cold, yeah.
Dude,
Wait,
I'm
what do you
not,
mean it doesn't work yet?
I'm not saying anything because it's literally 1 a.m.
That's true.